Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhodey. And today I will be showing you how to create a foil greeting card. So the first thing you want to do is let's check out the particulars. We have size, three different sizes, mini, small, standard, and I will be choosing standard. Orientation, vertical or horizontal. Foil color, gold or silver, and I'll be choosing gold. And my paper type that I'm using is standard matte, but you have premium grade and premium craft also. And I already created a card, but I just made it a blank card just to show you the steps in case you was wondering why does it have a title. Okay, so what you want to click is edit design. Okay, and as you can see, there's different layers. Okay, we have text, elements, icons, background, my files, product, layers. And I'm on layers, so you will see inside, back, inside, front, back, outside, background. So the first thing I want to do is add text, congrats. Okay, I need to make sure I add it to the right place. And your preview also shows you the different areas of the card so you can make sure you're putting everything in the right place. So front, images, and text. So that's where I'm at. Front, images, and text. Now I'm going to add my text. Congrats, because this is going to be a congrats card. And what I want to do, okay, so you can see you have to make it larger, but I really want the the gold foil to stand out, so I'm going to choose black. And let's see, what does it look like if it's white? It looks invisible. Okay. But I guess white can be used if your background color is black. So let's see how that looks. Layers, outside background. Okay. Front. I'm just going to choose front. So I guess it's, um, I was seeing if it was a way to add a background color, but I guess you can't. So I guess the white is for maybe the other paper types. Okay. Okay, we'll just not worry about that. So what I would do is increase the size and look at the preview. Okay, so that looks nice. And now I want to add a, a image. So I'm going to my files. I already have an image, but if you don't, you can just upload images from your desktop or tablet, whatever device, or your phone. So my image is a graduation cap. And you see you have different filters that you can use: etch, etch inverted, dots, dots inverted, solid, inverted. And each filter lets you know what it's recommended for. So as you see, etch is recommended for photos, etch inverted photos on dark papers, dots also recommended for photos, dots inverted photos on dark papers, solid is text and graphics, and inverted is printing light on dark. So I usually go with solid because I'm using either text or graphics. And I like to go to the darkest color. Okay. So I make this a template object in case you want to, sell it in layers, inside, back. So let's say you want to write a message. Congrats, Allison, on your graduation. And I'm just going to turn it to Baskerville bold. And you can choose whatever color. So I'm going to make it burgundy. And I'm shrinking it to fit. And I'm going to also allow this to be a template object. And you can, change the heading, the labels. Sincerely, Rhonda. And I'm going to change this to the beloved text. And now make it smaller. And also make a template object, in case you want to sell it. And for layers, I like to just make sure it's in order. So text 2, because this is the inside back. So the front, you already have the text 1 here. And I'm just going to move it a little more, a little bit. Okay. So once you're satisfied, you can, either add it to cart to purchase it or you can sell it. And these are your personalized templates. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.